Okay, people, let's go live now. It's time to go live, 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 live. Let's get up, get up, get up, and let's go live now. Let me see.
Reading well.
Okay, I gotta bring the sound down, but anyway, on the campus. Looks good, guys. On another fine day where I'm sure you guys are acting. Hey, where does the market start gonna go up? When can I get in? Well, there's a bull, there's a bull, there's a bear, there's a bear. This is what the volatility of 2022 and 2023 has taught us, that volatility is here to stay. Let's wait for the rest of you to come in. This is so that is really the volatility that we have here. Let me get ourselves set up first. As usual, those of you that have been here for quite some time, thank you very much. You know the drill, right? The drill is something that we always follow. And I'm just setting up here in case you are joining. So again, the fear and greed, are we over 60? Of course, you need to know not only on this cryptos, but also on FedFi, right? Came in a little bit earlier, just kind of cool. Let's go here. And yeah, I am early, guys. And fear and greed index. And I want to know both the TradFi and also cryptos, right? So you got to know both fear and greed and what is coming up. What interesting, will it come up or not? I think that is the issue. Let's go here. And I want to find the one for Bitcoin, right? And of course, let's have our charts ready. We always have to go back to our charts and see what's happening. Something quite significant to happen, but if you haven't joined, so join my Telegram group because I have a lot of news there, and also my Twitter because I give out a lot of stuff there. Also, it's kind of like my diary, right? So again, I'm just gonna put it there. Yeah, just go join my Telegram group. T.me, the dots down there, and also I'm gonna post it here. Plus, 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 plus. Don't forget to join my TikTok and subscribe to my Twitter because Twitter is so important. Okay, subscribe to my. I put down notes that it's gonna get more and more important as time goes by. So that gives you something that you can follow. And I'm doing both IPOs and also cryptos, which makes me become very unique. These are like the two highest alpha for this year. So I am doing both, so you don't have to follow too many people. Because I am doing both, I kind of have to take a more simplified approach to things, right? Which is really good for you guys instead of being all over the place and following everyone under the sun and over the sun and whatever you have, right? So yeah, I am in the bootstrap page now. This is kind of cool. So we're going to look at some C's here. I named them the 4 C's, but let me get this thing ready. Crypto, fear, and greed. I just saw that the fear and greed for Bursa. For Bursa was that, okay. Okay, I'm going to show you after. Just wait till 9, right? Even for Bursa, it's quite high, which is the Malaysian bourse, right? So we got to be careful, guys. I know. You guys are wondering, when is this going to go down? We're going to go in. Well, I'm going to tell you that on Sunday. Okay, let's go to the market today and on Sunday. And those of you who are in my group, you guys know that we have something called Return of the Boon. Return of the Boon is basically a throwback to the old days when, we made like totally just stupid amounts of money. It came to a point where it just became stupid, There's been so much money, but I'm engineering it so that we return back to that phase. And in order to do that, we have a session on Saturday so that I can remind you how we are going to get there, because a lot of you have not been there. And I think a lot of you, if you fail to come to that session, are destined to fail. That's just the way it is because you haven't been there. I mean, you really got to go through this. These are very volatile markets. These are kind of like very, very trying times, so you kind of have to know what you're doing. Return of the Boon. Return of the Boontat brings us back to that phase, right? Kind of cool. That will be on Saturday for the students. I think that would be on 4. Did I give you that link? I hope I gave you that link. I'm always good at I'm always not good at giving out links, right? Let me go back here. I really hope I have given you all that link. If you're not, give me a shout out. Okay, just 9. That's going to start very soon. And today is about also how I do. Yeah, I am giving interest-free loans to my community. That is for IPOs. Look at it at crypto. Yeah, I am thinking about that. And I'm sure that by the time the crypto cycle comes, which is kind of next year, yeah, we are going to do it again, right? Oh, it is at 3 p.m., right? Okay, 3 p.m., guys. I thought it was 4. It's 3 p.m. Return of the Boon. Sorry. Damn, I got that one wrong. Man, I got that one wrong. Let's see here. And let's go back here. And I am going to show you the Return of the Boon because that is what you guys are interested in, right? Okay. Let's go back to the page now. How are you today? How is everyone today? Hope you guys are having a good day. And hey, where is that Return of the Boon thing? Yeah, there it is. Okay, so let's go and share this. Then we're going to see the crypto fear and greed index. Did we really get to where we said we would get to? So guys, again, if you are in my groups, whether you're in the IPO group or the non-IPO group, the crypto group, MetaMoon group, remember this is a very important event on Saturday. We kind of are going live at 3 p.m. Even I didn't know that. I gotta change. I gotta update links. Okay, 3 p.m. guys. Oh, 4 p.m. Sorry, it's 4 p.m. Sorry, I got that one right. I thought I got another link wrong. Okay, 4 p.m. guys on Saturday. And remember, this is actually the millionaire move, the real millionaire move. It's based on a true story. So I hope if you miss this, you're gonna miss a lot. You don't even know that you can be a millionaire and you're going to just visit. Okay. I'm trying now damn hard to kind of like replicate the situation before so that it becomes easier. Because let's face it, guys, being a millionaire is more about the psychology of being a millionaire. Okay. Not so much as being a millionaire, That's just full of crap. You need the psychology to do it. Let's take this out now. And that's important. And those of you that did not come here are gonna miss a lot. So again, subscribe to my Twitter. Hey, I didn't put in that. Subscribe to the Twitter. Subscribe to my Twitter. And I'm gonna go through my Twitter afterwards. So to my Twitter. HTTPS. I don't have this already here. Tweet. Twitter.com. Inuk shoot. Yeah, Inuk shoot, which is like the figure, that big figure in Canada. Okay. So again, okay, welcome. Thanks everyone for joining. Let's go to the most important chart now. And I use this even as a review for me to kind of select coins. So guys are following here are very, very lucky. Just want to tell you that. So let's go here. Fear and greed index, crypto fear and greed index. Are we at that magic number of 70? Let's go down here. We're greed. We're not extreme greed. Still, we want to know where we are. Well, we're still struggling at 60, right? Yeah, we can like hit a wall here. It's like a buy wall, a pay wall, or whatever it is, right? One of those things that is also around 60. We have to hit around 60. That's for the past 1 year. So let's see max where it has gone to before. Yeah, that's what I was saying here. I was expecting it to go to 70, you know. Well, we'll be celebrating if it go to 80, but I don't see it going to 80. So that is there. But my worry now is TradFi. Well, TradFi staged another comeback. It's just incredible that this market looks like a market that totally doesn't want to go down. Yeah, extreme greed. Can you believe that? Extreme greed, fear and greed. We are already at the extreme greed. I would be worried, right? As I said, if this goes 80, 90, man, I would be worried because, you know, you have to let out some air, right? You just have to let out some air on this. Most definitely, you have to let out some air. Hot markets have to let out some air. But the good thing is that this is not going to impact our oh, okay. That's kind of the Malaysian thing, but even I saw in one of the one of the WhatsApp group that I have here that even Malaysia is around here. Even our stock market guys is around here. So very just don't overcommit stuff, okay? Because we kind of need a correction here. Just telling you that we kind of need a correction here. Now, yesterday was kind of interesting, especially on the tech price side. Let's go to my charts now, because again, the market just coming back, just coming back, just coming back. I mean, you've seen how a lot of crypto groups, those that are in my group, you guys know, right? Even already, I think in one of our classes earlier this year, I already said, right, the narrative is going to be AI. In return of the boon, I'm going to tell you how best you should benefit from this. Any type of rally, I'm very good at predicting things. Just super. Another guy just mentioned on Facebook, yeah. He said, hey, you predicted things right. Yes, I did. Let's go to the other thing. Okay, let's get this mess. Oh, ooh, hey. Back again, guys. I'm gonna go to this now. Where is this thing? Okay. Where is the Brave thing? I want the other window. I have my thing window here. Okay, let's go to the other Brave window here. And let's see what happened. Is it this market is quite difficult to trade? Be careful. We're gonna do Borsa here. Yeah, we're gonna cover this also. I'm gonna tell you my favorite coins and also IPOs, and they all start with a C. C. Yeah, kind of starts with a C, right? And I'm gonna tell you the problem that we have with IPOs. Why I've given out interest-free loans to the tune of 50,000 ringgit, 12.5K. But you know what? I'm gonna make it bigger, because I know the issue now. Let's see where Bitcoin is now. So that's Bitcoin now. Look at that. That is the weekly chart. Whoa. Take out here. No. Get out of here. Okay, there we are, guys. There we are. That is the, what is that? Yeah, that is the death cross, right? 50 and 200. Oh my God, look at that. So it's been below the 200, bearish for the longest time that I know. Look, it fell here and then fell another one here, but we're kind of like there, right? On the weekly, depending on where you put your fibs here, you can put your fib here. So where are we now? There, 23. Okay, almost there. And here we go. If we go down again, 25, right? 25 something. But look at the 25 here. It is the location of the death cross. So this is something that people are really looking about. This worries me. And I'm just going to tell you, when is this going to happen? When is Bitcoin potentially going into a tail spinning correction? For that, let's see what TradFi did. The thing is, I would like a normal market, but TradFi just isn't cooperating because it's like going like crazy. It's like going insane. But before we go to see the S&P, let's go and see insane. Let's go and see Ethereum. Well, Ethereum, I think should hit 1819, right? Around here, or even 2000, or touch it here. There's a major wall here. So I'd like to see it around here. And then it's like, okay, we better not be there. We maybe we shouldn't be here anymore, right? So Ethereum has spaces to go to. I think this is Ethereum USD. Of course, when you see this, wait, is Ethereum USD coming back up, or ETH BTC, right? Is ETH BTC coming back up? Let's go and see. Yeah, ETH BTC has gone down. Now it's coming back up, right? So Ethereum now is stronger than Bitcoin again. Was stronger here, got dumped, and now stronger again. Well, it's kind of hitting that resistance there, right? I'm just going to go to ETH USD here. Go back to Bitstamp. But I really would like to see TradFi here, because TradFi has been just totally smashing it. It's crazy TradFi here. Let's go here to the S&P 500. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna do that. And I am going to go to the S&P 500. Now, this is what I say, guys. It is very hard to trade this market. I mean, your stop losses are going to be hit like no matter what. It is like totally insane. So say you were here, like, yeah, 4148, or maybe you were here, right? I got out. I bought at 410, 4113, and then I kind of got out somewhere in the middle here. And just say that you bought here, right? You buy here, or you buy somewhere here, it goes up here, or you buy somewhere here, 4137, and then look what happens here. This is the whipsawing market during news, which I don't like, okay? Because look, say you bought at 4140 here, it whacks down here to like, what is that? Is that 30? Is that 4088 or something? Let me check here. So definitely your stops would have been hit here, right? Yeah, 4090, 4137. Kind of have a 1% thing here already, right? Yeah, you're already at 1% there. You're kind of dead. You're kind of taken out here, right? And then look what happens then. If you want to short here, you get taken out here again, right? And then you got taken out here again. So you got taken out here, you got it taken out here. Major whipsaw market. And I think we saw that in our group, the document in our group. Look at that kind of whipsaw. How do you even fight this thing? This is what I say. TradFi is very tricky, and as long as TradFi is very tricky, we will be very tricky. Okay, now it's fallen above our support here. Clearly struggling here at around 4.2, right? Just clearly struggling here in breaching 4.2. 4125 has met. Maybe 4240, 4.3. I just don't know why it's going to go so high. Let's see it on the daily now, but I just wanted to show you the hourly because, you know, playing this market is like, whoa, it's seriously, guys. It's like playing Russian roulette. But again, that's the narrative, right? Look at the narrative here. And this is the new narrative post-Fed. Until it breaks the structure, it's like, whoa, this is a strong market. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's look at that line. And then let's look at, yeah, the line there, right? Look at that. That is the new structure here. So go up, dumped, go up again. This obviously is a higher low. So I just want you to look at this structure because you got to learn how to look at structures. Clearly, the structure is now pointing up unless proven otherwise. So nice structure here. And we kind of got a bottoming process around here, right? Look at that thing, right? It was trying to poke, and then it didn't. And then, yeah, it just started on its rally here. So look at that, which, oh, surprisingly, is that line. There's that fib there, right? So again, this is the new structure of the market. So it's going to fail here. Of course, I know what you guys want. You guys want it to go like that. Or like that and like that, right? Or are we going to go like that? You know, for the bearish case, are we going to go like this? And then like that, and then like that, okay? But anyway, it is a market in need of correction. Are we going to have the correction here? Is it going to be a mild one? Is it going to be a heavy one, but still struggling there, right? And this is the thing that I think is kind of preventing Bitcoin from doing what it wants to do. So what does it want to do? Well, this is the thing. I think the biggest news in Bitcoin here is everyone's waiting for this. It kind of hasn't happened yet. Hasn't happened yet. It has everything to do with the death cross. I haven't looked at the DXY, and I should be looking at the DXY too. And let's see here. Okay, what's happening here? It's raining here. Cool. Let's go here. Yeah, this is the death cross, the 200 and the 50. Let's see what this guy is saying.
There's no guarantees about anything. You know, I mean, there's always a chance we go lower. There's a chance that we don't. And that's why I think it's worthwhile to be hedged both ways. Normally in crypto, a DCA strategy is what works out the best, right? You DCA according to something. I use the risk levels that I've talked about before, but you can use whatever you want. And then hopefully that works out for you in the long term. But this is going to be the first weekly death cross. I don't mean to hype it up or anything like that. It's never happened before. So it'll be the first one that has ever occurred for Bitcoin, and we'll see what happens. Note that it's occurring and we're below the actual level where they're crossing. I don't know if that makes a difference in terms of the outcomes or what the likely outcomes would be, but they are crossing at around $25,000, and they should be a crossing on the next weekly close. So there's no guarantees about anything. I mean, there's always a chance we go lower. There's a chance that we don't. And that's why I think it's worthwhile to be hedged both ways. Normally in crypto.
So that's it, guys. It is something that has never happened before, but we do know that it's about at 25. So, I think you guys know, right? I know people have been saying about 30 and all that. I'm just bailing out my positions temporarily and waiting to see where the market is when this hits 25 around there. Look at that. Look at that. Just so nicely set up for 25. I mean, this would really make my day, something like a spike here, right? A spike here like that would really make my day. I would like to see next week a spike here like that. And we go to the death cross, and yeah, we see what happens. I don't know what happens. Death crosses, as are golden crosses, are really, they are not forward-looking indicators. They're actually past indicators. This thing has happened. So, but it is interesting to actually see this. Now, having said that, let's go and look at the coins now. And let's go and look at some of the IPOs that I'm seeing at. So the 4 C's, the C's, let's make this very simple. We can go to the more complex. So I know you want to see AI. So I am going to go to some AI coins on Sunday. Don't miss that. Here also on this channel, 9 p.m. So Bitcoin has been doing very, very well here. And I'm going to tell you on Sunday, based on history, if you have this kind of narrative that you see here, let's see what happened during the past 1 year here. Let's see whether CoinGecko can get me that thing, whether the past 1 year here. If we go through the same bottoming out process, kind of where are we going to? Of course, this is like slowing me down by a lot. 23134. So we're like 2,000 away from death cross territory. Now it can still cross without going through 25,000. So again, something that you really want to look at. Let's try to get this faster up. Again, challenges in Malaysia. We're slow. We're so slow, guys. We're so slow. Can I get this like 180? Okay, I don't like this. Let's go to coin market cap. I'm going to go to coin market cap. CoinGecko is way, way, way too slow. I thought CoinGecko is better because CoinGecko is Malaysia. Look at that dominance, 41.2. If you go to 37, that's kind of it, like 37, 35. 37 is like, bail out. Get out of there. Let's go and see price here. I just want to see the charts, okay? I really, really am more interested in seeing the charts. Can I see that? Historical data. No, I don't want to see that. News price. Do they have charts here? How come they don't have charts? Yeah, I don't know, man. I can't see the charts here, right? Overview. Can I go to overview? So, oh yeah, there it is. Overview. Okay, sorry guys. It's at overview. So I don't usually go here. There it is. So again, I'm just gonna go to you like 3 months. That's cool. So again, the thing is, if you see this thing, right, it goes down here, consolidate, and then kaboom. Of course, the rule is the more it consolidates, the more it will kaboom. So if it does this and goes above the previous high, what happens then? Does this give you a clue on what will happen to Bitcoin? I'm talking about here, right? I'm talking about here, right? Where all the resistance is about here, right? So, once we go past this or this 21 or 20 or whatever it is here, or maybe even 20.9, where is it? Where is it? What happens there, right? Or is it here? 17, 18, what happens here? You want to know what happens here because there is already a fractal that can tell you what's going to happen, or is it here? So we have to decide, is it here or is it here? and then what happens after that, and then you know how long potentially this rally could go. And we're going to give you some dates on a Sunday. Okay, having said that, what are my favorite coins? So let's stick here because coin Gecko is way too slow. Maybe a lot of people, yeah, these guys are going to be slow because a lot of people are looking at it. I know you guys weren't looking at it, and now everyone's looking at it, right? So the two C's that I like here, let's start at this, and then we'll go more exciting next week, okay? So be patient. Let's be safe. The two C's that I like for crypto are this, and I want safe bets. I want safe bets that I know have a chance to go up. As usual, I'm going to pick something that every crypto needs and starts with a C. I think you guys know, right? No, it's not USD coin. It is, of course, the one and only and the boring chain link. It's like, hey, like you can't really go wrong by buying chain link because during a pop it will go up as long as you don't buy it so high. You know that it has, because you just need this thing, guys. You just need chain link whether you like it or not. So Chainlink is like one of my top safe coins. Let's find to you the other one now. I'm just going to go 1 year here. So let's go here and look at that, right? So it was like 14, 18. I think it went to 37. And look, it's been consolidating for the longest time here, right? 633, again, 53, and now 7 something. So this is something that is needed everywhere. Now let's look at all, so that you guys understand what this is all about. Look at that. See, the thing about coins is this: they're dead here, basically dead. I got this on ICO, like 40 cents. And then they go through this consolidation, and then they kaboom. And then they dump you to scare you, and then kaboom again to the moon, right? Literally to the moon. And then they dump you, scare you, and then this is the last point to get out, right? They always have this, and then it dumps all the way. So we are kind of like here. I think this was like a 3 to 4, right? So this is like 3 to 4. Yeah, that's why I said 3 to 4, 3 to 4, 2 to 4, right? 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 2 to 4. And now it looks like 5 to 7, 5 to 7, 5 to 7, right? 5 to 7, 5 to 7. So 5 to 7 has replaced 3 and 4, or whatever it is. Where's my screen now? Hey, where's my screen, man? I don't know. Did you guys see my screen? Okay, there it is. There it is. Okay, so you guys see my screen again. So again, you have to know the pattern of this, that it will, the longer it consolidates, the higher it goes. So again, you want this to go up like this, and then you want this to go down, right? Consolidate again so that it can have this big run here. Okay, because if it does like this, then it's going to crash. So again, Chainlink is something that, you just need Chainlink, right? Just like you need Uniswap. Another boring one called Uniswap. And another one is very simple. You know that once crypto volume goes up, I always like it that the exchanges are there. Not the DEX. DEX we know will always be there, like Uniswap and all that, right? Pancake Swap, Uniswap. But one thing that I really like about this now is this one, because people said it would really die. So Chainlink, I'm going to name Chainlink as one. The next one is Chronos. Where's Chronos? And I'm going to give you another boring one. And these are like kind of safe. This is not financial advice, by the way. This is entertainment. It's just going to get you excited so that you know what to learn and what to cover in this mini bull run that we have now. So let's look at Chronos now. And I was seeing this at 6 to 12, 6 to 12, 6 to 12. Well, we haven't gotten at 12 yet. So let's see what's happening here. Yeah, it's been down here for so long, like 11, 11. That's why I said 6 to 12, 6 to 12, 6 to 12. It's like 6 to 12, 6 to go down to 6. Yeah, almost there. That's right. 6 to 12, 6 to 12, 6 to 12. Again, let's look at it again. So you kind of know this again, right? So down, 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 pump to 16, down, 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 pump again, fake out, boom. Crazy, right? 41, and then it starts, that's 41, that's 80, that's 89, guys. And then starts dumping again. And now we are in this range again. See that? 6 to 12, 6 to 12. Let's see it. Yeah, 6. This 6, right? 6, what is that? Yeah, 6 to 8 to 22. Yeah, here's like 6 to 12. I've been seeing this for so long, 6 to 12, right? Or somewhere here or somewhere here. Yeah, there. So it's kind of like at this range again, about this. Yeah, 8 or whatever it is. It's kind of there before. So this is another boring one. Of course, the third boring one is the most boring coin in the world. But I know this thing is very boring. I mean, if you had a girlfriend and you tried to sell her on this coin, your girlfriend would break up with you. Which coin is this? Which coin is this, guys? This coin would cause you, I mean, if she knew you were a crypto person, would cause your girlfriend to break up with you. Which one is it? I mean, you're just not going to be rich, but one day you know it has to pop. It's going to cause your GF or wife, your GF to break up with you, or your wife to even ask for divorce, to break up with you. I mean, it's the most boring one, guys, with you or wife to divorce you. But it's kind of safe. So I wanted to go with the boring ones first, because, you know, the exciting ones have higher risk. So which one is it, guys? This most boring coin. It's a very popular coin. It's a very top coin. The good thing about this is, hey, there's a lot of developments going on in this coin. Which coin is it? One of the most famous coins, really, really favorite coin, starting with C. Hey. Here it comes again. Cardano and ADA. Ah, man. Which again goes absolutely nowhere. It's like, I don't know, do they give a dividend here? Because this is what you want, right? Again, look at that. Look at this, guys. This is not going anywhere. Been resting here, 38. Let's see, 3 months. We're down to 24 that day, like 24, 25. Yeah, that's what I said, right? 24, 25. And again, it was here like 32, 38. Yeah, 37, 32, 38. Dump. Come back up again. Nope, not going above 38 or 40. Let's go year to date. No, let's go all time. Let's see how this is. I mean, you just have no story if you buy this coin. Look at that. That thing went to 77. Dump for the longest time. 56, 56, 14, and suddenly, boom, 31. Yeah, see? Went up this first time, wow, 217. And then went up here to 2.96. So, wow, quite good. You know, this is quite good. But this is like, come on, guys. This is like not going anywhere. 6, I think almost 3, right? Almost 3. And now it's this again. But yeah, is it going to do this? So, you know, you have to remember that the rule of crypto, the more it goes like that, the more it can go up. What was this? Man, did this go up during this didn't even go up during the 2019 rally. Look at that. This just didn't go up during the 2019 rally, just increased twice. Okay, so there was a rally here in 2019. Okay, and this is what we're going to see on Monday, and how we're going to predict where this rally may hit something, right? May hit a minor bump, or may hit a major bump. So Cardano is there. So that is the 3 coins that I like. Now back to the hottest market in the world. So, you know, those of you in Malaysia IPOs know that, okay, a new IPO has come out. A new IPO has come out. What is the IPO going in here? 2 C's. We have 2 C's. So we got 3 C's there. And now we have 2 C's here, Bursa Marketplace, Bursa Anywhere, like what? Let's go here and let's go to Bursa. Let's see. Where are you, Mr. IPO? Oh, my G, yeah, that fell like yesterday, right? Got dumped like a madman because supposedly they lost the contract. They had denied it since then. Hasn't done them any good. So, again, let's go on IPO. See what we have here. We have IPO prospectus. Okay. But it hasn't come out yet, right? I want to find this. So our IPOs have done very, very well. Okay, Bestland, GT Vision, limit up during opening. Can you believe that this went 4 times up during opening, went up 5 times, okay? KitaCon, Wellspire, NationGate Holding, DS Sigma. We had all these IPOs making money. This loss, but now it's up again. 1, 2, Do you have 7 or 8 IPOs just making money after money after money? So this is what I said at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in a row, guys. 9. Is that a hot market or what? 9 in a row. Amazing, right? 9 in a row. Just made money, okay? 9 in a row, basically smashing it and making money. But I want to see what is coming up now. And this is coming up now. Let's go to prospectus exposure. You got to go to prospectus exposure to see what is coming up, to know what are the hottest ones coming up. You know, Infomina, and I like this one. Okay, I'm going to show you one of the counters here. It's called Infomina. This was about 40 cents. I think this is about 40 cents, but look at it now. I just want to see it, okay? Because these tech things, I think, tend to go up 3 times, okay? Let me see whether I'm right or not. Bursa here. Let's go to Bursa here. And let's see where we are now. And I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to Infomina, and I'm going to show you what I'm excited about. New IPO that's coming out, which is CloudPoint. Kind of like Infomina. Infomina is quite better, right? But let's go here. Look at that, guys. It's 40 cents. And now it's like 125. 3 times, right? 3 times. That's good, because IPOs are safer than crypto anytime, anyway. Another one I think is Sunview, 29 cents. Where did it end today? It ended at 80. It's almost 3 times. Like, technology is not only doubling, it's kind of tripling nowadays. But you gotta wait. Yeah, look at that. It's like 81, 82. I don't know, 81, 82, right? 81.5. That's almost 3 times. 87 is 3 times. A 3-bagger. So you put 10,000, you get 30,000 out. This is awesome, okay? So technology, I have like, oh, 3-bagger, and I really like this new one that's coming up here. Let's go to prospectus exposure. Oh, fine. Okay, let's go to prospectus exposure there. You can find this with the new IPOs that are coming up. Well, there's one called Cape EMS, which is like 90 cents. That's expensive. And you know, 90 cents, if I want to go for 500,000, I need 450,000 ringgit. If I want to go for 1 million, I need 900,000 ringgit to apply, which is why this is a game of money, okay? It is not easy to get, but the one that is coming now is, you know, this is like totally technology is CloudPoint. This is cloud. Anything related to the cloud and software that's like Infomina 3 times, right? So this is like 28 cents. Maybe it goes to financial advice, 84, 85, something like that. So this is kind of cool. CloudPoint Technology, subsidiary and provision of IT solutions, comprising enterprise and data center networking, cybersecurity, and professional IT services. Well, we had another cybersecurity company, which is LGMS. Let's see what LGMS has did. I think that, I don't know what the offer, what was the offer for LGMS? You guys remember that 38, 35 or something like that? That's something like that. Maybe it was something like that. Let's go to LGMS. LGMS, another good one here. So again, technology looks to be the one, okay? Has this gone like 3 times? It's over ringgit. That means it's probably gone up by 3 times. Yes, it is. See, 3 times, 3 times, 3 times, 3 times. So again, those are what I like, okay? What I think are really safe, not financial advice. Cardano, I know, Chainlink. You guys are bored, right? What is this guy talking about? Chainlink, Chronos, and for the IPOs, I really like Cape EMS. Oh, let's find Cape EMS. Sorry, you guys can see that. And also CloudPoint. And of course, for CloudPoint, I'm looking at a 3-bagger kind of thing. Let's go up here and let's see, where is Cape EMS? There's another one that's coming out now, also electronics manufacturing services. I think Cape is kind of electronics manufacturing services, right? So let's go and look and see what that is all about. You know, guys, let's go and see what that is all about. That should be very interesting. I'm just gonna go here. And where is that critical? No, Jati Tinggi, no, DC Healthcare, no, 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 no. Cape EMS, Cloud Point, no, I want to see Cape. Where is Cape? You want to show me TT Vision, probably behind here somewhere. ECA Integrated Synergy House. Well, that's coming back to Cloud Point. I don't see Cape, but Cape is definitely coming out. Cape EMS, no, not here. Probably it's so. Yeah, it was older, right? Well, they don't have it. They took it out. Okay, never mind. It's coming out too. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. So again, on Sunday, we're going to look more at when this rally could end. Very, very important. And maybe we can even look at some of the speculative areas, the smaller points. As I remember, right? Once it goes down a lot and it stays down a lot, the higher the propensity to move up. And hopefully we see some AI coins. See you there. And you guys who are in the group, do not miss return of the boon on Saturday at 4, because if you're not there, you might miss the steps on how to be a millionaire. You just want to be a millionaire, right? It's not easy, but hey, there are certain steps, so you have to follow certain rules. So again, I do hope to see you there. There it is, guys. Don't miss it. If you miss it, this is, yes, like a sin if you miss it, right? Go back here. Remember, this is 11th February on Saturday, 4 p.m. I'm going to Maybank and Maybank on the conditions of the IPO market. But we're going to talk about IPOs, and we're also about cryptos then, okay? Because the steps to be a millionaire are both. Okay, any questions, guys? Who has questions here? Any questions? So hope to see you then. For those who have the link and for those who are part of the internal group that I have, it's time to really start preparing, guys, to go to the moon. Any questions before we go on and off, before we go out? And got a lot of things to prepare for, a lot of trainings coming up. Of course, a lot of IPOs coming up. The making money thing is kind of fun, but we also have to make sure that we also get into the big one, which is going to happen after the Bitcoin halving. As I've always been saying, IPOs this year, cryptos next year. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Just put it down there while I'm trying to find. Where is Cape EMS? Why don't we just go here and find Cape EMS while you guys are trying to find the questions, right? Cape EMS, okay? Any questions there? Any questions there? I'm just going to show here Cape EMS IPO. I just want to show you what it's all about. Yeah, investment holding, industrial and consumer electronics manufacturing service. Yeah, EMS, right? Electronics manufacturing services. Another exciting one. Okay, guys, I am going to see you later. Bye, 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 bye. See you guys. Bye.